right there. Floating and everything. Look how his paint flipping. This motherfucker flipping. Look at that. That bit hard. Look at it. You got the leather guts in there. Whoa. That bit's hard, bruh. Oh my God, bruh. All right, guys. Here at the car show. So I got the Challenger out. Y'all see. Got my little photo grid together. See under the hood. This is the build. So y'all see everything. First time out in the sunlight. Now y'all can see the color on my shit. Hit. You see how I look now that it's done all the way. Hitting hard. Mike Tyson. Y'all see it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and get some footage. The cars around here. 5-0. Come on, you guys can come. Paxton Supercharge. Yeah.
What's going on?
All right, man. JC, man.
Trevor.
Yeah, you check it out. The pictures of the build is up there. Y'all see the Mustang. Bunch of Mustangs. Got a Shelby over there. Cobra. Freaking hot rod. Mustang. Stay in front of me, yeah, please. You stay beside me. I like that too. Yeah, I got my kids with me out here. Here we go. Scat Pack wide body. Yes, octane red. Look at that. Y'all see octane red. 392. This paint is nice as shit though. I like that too. Y'all see. Got the wing on the back. Another Scat Pack over here. Another wide body, black on black. Damn, I should have parked beside that. I see it.
Spot right here?
Yeah, I know. I got the white wide body down there, the Hellcat.
Okay.
Yep. ST right there. WRX. SRT4. These are sick, bro. You really don't see these too much no more. Oh, you got a turbo or something on there too. Big ass wastegate. That's sick. Gotta show love to the SRTs. The Cougar Supercharged. Don't sleep on them. Mark 7. A ST. Yep, it's a Fiesta ST. Got a 428 Fairlane over here. Is it a 428? Yes, it is. That baby is clean too. Applause. Oh yeah, we do see that. Yeah. Nice Fox body over there. Pro Charger or something on that. Yep, Pro Charge. Yes, sir. Got a Ram over here. Is this a TRX, black down? That's sick. Hitting in the back. So y'all see. Got what? Look at that Lambo ad. A Murcielago. Yeah. We got a bunch of mopars out here, bro. You see, we came thick today. This camo looks sweet, though. Oh, I like his diffuser. Dang, I need that. I need that. That look nice, actually. Oh, it's a cat, too. Redeye. He got the leg maker on his. Yep. That's sick. Y'all see. Another Hellcat. What do it say? Love, live free, or die. Yeah, I can feel that for sure. Dodge Dart. Got another cat over here. Shit, maybe we can get some runs on the way out of here. This is the regular. But he got a pulley on that bitch for sure. catch can, scat pack right here, charger. He got that expensive ass intake on there too. That don't make no difference. We all know that. He got some sickening Whipple supercharger on his. Big ass Whipple on there. Y'all see. A lot of carbon work under this. You can tell he put a lot of work into this. Custom valve covers. Custom coil pack covers. Custom fuse box covers. Custom sway bar. Custom radiator top. He even painted the throttle body to match. The attention to detail, look at that. The brass hood struts on the carbon and brass wheels. That's flipping sick. Carbon skirts. Oh, it's a 6-speed too. There you go. He got a Tremec in there. That's nice. I like that interior too. The Brom race seats. That's cool. Oh, he got the trunk and everything done. Damn, he not playing. Maybe I should do my trunk, y'all. What y'all think? Do the trunk? Because I do got them JLW13s or whatever the fuck they is. 13s, W6s. I don't know. That's sick. Got you a rally wagon out here. I like these cars, man. Cause you can just do crazy shit in them. Summit Racing Jeep. That's a vendor Jeep right there for sure. Y'all see. Got a Tesla Model 3, but he definitely got shit done to it with them tires. Oh yeah, sway bar in the back. He auto-crossing that thing or something. 1320 Challenger. MR2 over there. You don't see these too much no more. I actually like these things. This is pretty sweet. MR2. Do it still have the Toyota engine? Yes, it does. Sick. Yeah, you don't see these no more. It's clean too. What's this? A Fairlane over there. Jag. Old Chevy truck over there. That's my dude's car. This right-hand drive Del Sol. Yeah, he had that thing forever. No, it's gray. It's like a grayish color. Got the Rice pulling up. The Drift Squad. They definitely be drifting those things for sure. And I asked them, Mark, did we walk past the Lambo or did it leave? Dang, what the hell? Oh, he got some shit done to this. That's a big supercharger on there. This thing is probably fast for a little tiny lightweight car. There you go, right here. With those bead-lock wheels on there. That looks sick. Look at this Challenger with a big block. Big block in there. What? Oh yeah, I see it. 392. Yep. What's up, bro?
Oh, man.
Look at this guy. How y'all doing?
How's everything?
Good, good.
Did you bring your car?
Yeah, it's over there. Right there.
Oh, I see.
Yep. I see it. All right, how you doing? It's out here trying to get video. What's up, Zaire? What's up? Man, I just missed the Lambo. Just left.
Yeah, just left with that one.
I wanted to see that too. That's why I got up off my ass.
Yeah, all bunch of stuff that just came in that's been nice, they went that way.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's probably another show somewhere, I bet you.
I'm gonna look around, I'll see you.
Yes, sir. Bye, Zaire. I'll see you later.
Joel looks like you should be good.
Oh, I didn't even see this. Hold on. Look at this one. Go ahead. Go ahead. You good. Nah, that's my bad.
No, sorry.
Got distracted.
Yeah, I know.
Chrome
This
engine.
is beautiful.
He got the Ken Bell on there. Man, I wonder where they get these coil pack covers. I need to get those. Those look sick. What do it say? RDP Motorsports. That's pretty sweet for sure. Oh, it's a T56 car, or Tremec car too. Sick, for sure. Like the chrome crackers on there. What do you call this? I can't even remember. What, a Rampage or something like that?
Like a Nova red line for the Hot Wheels leather
See
store.
one of those in a long time. Want to go over this way or which way? That's way? I see that. Hold on, scoot over it. Come on my side. I hear that, baby. Sounding good, brother. Come on, cut across. Nice 442 over there. Some Slam trucks. Porsche over here. Did this Grand National though. That thing is sick. For sure. Turbo Grand National. Clean as a whistle. Back up. Don't get too close. Sublime Green Hellcat. '61. Oh wow, look at this Jeep. He swapped the Hemi in here. That's pretty sick. An old school SRT engine in there. That's sick. Never seen nobody do that before. What did you have to do to bolt it in? What subframe did you use? The Jeep? Did you had to make mounts or something? Got you. I never seen nobody do that swap before. Right, because most of this, yeah, for sure. That's the good thing. I've been thinking about doing a Jeep for sure. Right. Yeah, because they short. Yep. I got you. That's what end up on most of these swaps. They got to use the cast headers. Yep. I mean, that's plenty enough for a Jeep for sure. Nice build, brother. Yep. All right, come on. Give me your hand, man. Hold on, let him go. Let him go. Look at this gas. Smell that race gas. That thing will do a freaking wheelie for real, bro. For sure. Look at that lowrider, Ed, with the flip-flop paint job. It's coming in. Watch this. It's a caddy coming in. I think it's or wait, it's pulling up this way. Come on, let's cut across. Go over there. Give me your hand, though, Ed. And Belle, you stay right beside me, please. Look at this thing. It's a Boss Hog, Ed. Look at that paint job. That's a real Boss Hog. On some real, he got real gold. Those is real gold Daytons right there, boy. You can tell. Them ain't them fake ones. He got real gold Daytons. Listen to this thing. What kind of gas is that? Like Cam 2 or something. Stand right here. Hey, what kind of gas you running in it? Cam 2? Yep. What kind of fuel? E85. Oh, E85. Yep. It sounds sick. Get in, or come right in front of me, Belle. Right in front of me. Walk right in front of me. Just shadow me. You stay inside, man. GT5. The old SHO right there. I like these rat rods too, though. That thing is cool. A lot of character for sure. Ratitude is called. That's pretty sick. Listen to that freaking truck. Bro, he got something in that truck. Some turbos or something for sure. Suicide door, lowrider truck. It's a little bit for everybody out here. I gotta go get this lowrider though. I see C8 vet. But this thing right here, this a real boss slab right here, boy. That's a real slab on real gold Dayton's. Y'all see what I said? Real Dayton's. I know, bro. Cause them motherfuckers was twinkling when he hit that corner for sure. Look at that paint. And the etching on the lights. Man, he put a lot of work in this thing, bro. And that paint, I bet they did this like 15 years ago, and that paint's still flipping. Still flipping. Look, he even got gold door handles in there. That's sick for real, bro. You gotta respect stuff like this. Them 90s builds, 2000s builds. Sick. Look at this Shelby over here. That's pretty nasty. Shelby. Yeah. Should we go back and get my mom, or who's tired of walking? Okay. We'll keep going because there's more down there. Maybe cars on the other side too. I don't know how long they going for. Probably at least till like 5 or something, probably. Look at those ones. Look at that van. Got a supercharger on this van, Eddie. Look at that. That's a sleeper right there. Super sleeper. Never even seen one of those. Belle, get up closer. Bella. I see. Challengers. That's a Charger right there. An old school one. 73. Old Ford. Old Mercury. Alright, we gotta stop right here because this is where they're pulling in. Nice Beamer. Hurry up, let's go across. Hurry. There you go, a Cuda right there.
Look at that.
I see, it's probably a wrap, for real. That's pretty cool though. Got the BMW. Oh yeah, he got the RGB lights. Oh my God, look at this Road Runner. This thing is retarded, oh my God. Dang, it got the big block in there too. The 440. Oh, and it's a 4-speed. This is nasty right here. Don't touch it. Look at that caddy right there. Side 7. All right, turn around carefully and walk out. We're gonna make it out. Don't get too close to the cars. This way. 345s. Oh, don't do a Mustang now. Here we go. Another cat right there. Another cat. Bro, it's another cat. Another cat. I should have brought mine over here, bro. This must be the cat aisle. What is that? Oh, he got his intake heat wrap. This must be, why do we got that red eye intake on there? But it's not a red eye. The hell? People be doing weird shit for real.
Look at that one.
I see. Yeah, that's hell raising. That's hell raising, that color. That's the color I was gonna do. With the peanut butter guts in there too. Watching that. Mopar gang, y'all see. Hell raising. Put that back up, bro. Yeah, I know, that thing is sick. For real. Is this a supercharged S2000? Or maybe it's turbo. Oh, hold on, let him get his pick. Yeah, it's turbocharged. I bet this thing is fast. For sure. It's like a time attack car. See that wing on the back?
All the trucks.
Yeah.
I think this is normal.
That might, yeah, this is normal parking, but it could have been more cars down there, maybe. It's alright. It's definitely more on the other side, but I ain't walking all the way over there. Y'all get the point. I'm already at 20 minutes. Look at that Impala right there. That's bad. With those zoomy pipes on the side. LS swap with a fucking turbo. Look at that. Sleeper. Turbo LS. You would not expect that. Charger 440.
Look at the blue interior.
Y'all see 440 Charger.
Look at the blue interior.
I see 427 SS. RT. 31 Ford. GTO. Old Chevy trucks. Got, what's that, a 55, I think? Yeah, 55 Bel Air. 57 Bel Air. That's one of my favorite cars right there. The 57. 55 over there. Another one. Y'all see. Another one right there. Y'all see it. Oh, he got a drag pack on his shit. Look at them rims. That's what I want, is the skinnies in the front, the big in the back. But I only want the demon wheels. Alright, y'all. Went out to that show. Showed the car off for a little second. Let everybody see it. I had to get it in the sun today. It's like the first time I had it out for real. So the public can see it at least. I'll be keeping my shit up because there's too many fucking haters out here. But yeah, had to get some video real quick. Alright, y'all, back in the garage. One last rev for you.